So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the 6-digit code not sending to your email in 2026. So step number one, what you will need to do is head over to a browser. So for me, I will use Google Chrome, and then you simply want to head over to roblox.com. From here, you want to go down, and you don't want to click on continuing app. You don't want to click on continuing app. You want to select continue in browser. Now, once we do this, it will then ask you for your email address and your login, but we can now click on forgot password or username, and then we can now enter in our username, email, or phone number into this box here. So once we've entered in our number into this box, we can then click on next. And if we have done this correctly, I should now receive an email from Roblox with the code. So as you can see here, the code has now come through over to my email just by simply doing this on a browser. So this is what worked for me, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.